According to pictures published by the U.S. Department of Defense, the United States has started sending the A3 variant of M113's tracked armored personnel carrier vehicles to Ukraine. On April 21, 2022, the U.S. Army soldiers were assigned to the 3rd Infantry Division to the shipment of M113A3 at Fort Stewart, Georgia. The 3rd ID divested the armored vehicles to support the presidential response requirements for the European Theater of Operations for the purpose of providing immediate military assistance to Ukraine. The United States had published a list of all the military equipment and combat vehicles to be delivered to Ukrainian armed forces, including 200 M113 tracked APC vehicles. According to the analysis of the Army Recognition editorial team, the M113s that will be delivered to Ukraine are M113A3. The latest variant in the M113 family with the U.S. Army in 1987. The vehicle has many new improvements, including a new Detroit Diesel 6V53T turbocharged engine, developing 275 horsepower, coupled to an Allison Cross-Drive X204 hydrostatic, 4-speed transmission, external fuel tanks, a variable speed cooling fan drive, hardware for mounting the spall liners, and the external add-on armor. The M113A3 has a combat weight of 12,150 kilograms with a crew of 3 including a driver, commander, and gunner. The roof of the vehicle is fitted with a circular ring mount that can be armed with a 12.7mm heavy machine gun. It can run at a maximum road speed of 60 km/h with a maximum cruising range of 480 km.